right, welcome to another tutorial at Crafts and Drafts. So today we are doing mini terrariums, a very well-loved craft here at the bar. We'll go through our materials. I've got my instructions from Crafts and Drafts. This little bag is holding some drainage rocks. I've got a spoon just for kind of just working with my various materials. I've got my terrarium container. I've chosen a succulent. You get to the choice of one succulent here at Crafts and Drafts, but if you're working on something at home, feel free to use as many plants as fit in your container. I've got some sand, some blue rocks, and these are just kind of more decorative. Same with my miniatures. And then I also have a cup of dirt here for planting my succulent. Here at Crafts and Drafts, we do use a specific blend that's meant for succulents and cacti. So just make sure that whichever plant you're using the right corresponding dirt. All right, so let's get started. The first step here is to just pour our drainage rocks into the bottom. You always want to have some drainage rocks just to make sure that you don't have a whole bunch of mildew gathering, as you're watering your plants. Probably have about an inch of drainage rocks. And we'll take this plant out of the container. And you can place it wherever you like. I want to place mine off to the side a little bit. So this just sets up the base of your terrarium. And the fun thing about terrariums is you can either be done in 15 minutes or you can tinker with it for 2 hours. It is entirely up to you. All right, so that is a mini terrarium. Thank you so much for joining us today and happy crafting.